Good morning, welcome to the last celebration assembly of this half term. I've got Mrs Allen along to help me today, and we're going to start off with her class and see who's won the awards this week. So over to you, Mrs Allen.
Thank you. This week, in our last week of half term, I'd like to give two certificates, one for Thomas and one for Evie Alderson, for thinking of lots of creative ways to learn at home, especially with your maths and phonics, and I've really loved seeing all the work that you've been doing outside.
Okay, then in Mrs Hugo's class, 2 awards. One goes to Harry Phipps. Harry, because it says here, for consistent commitment at home with all your home learning tasks and coming up with some of your own amazing ideas for learning as well, so well done to you. And then also to Maisie Manning, who has been listening really carefully, concentrating and giving 100% in all of her challenges in school. So well done, Maisie.
And then in Mrs Crocker and Mrs Weeks' class, a certificate for Nathan Lofthouse for working hard at home to improve your handwriting, Nathan. So very well done. And for Amelia Rose Handy for working hard and always having a positive learning attitude with a big smile on your face.
Okay, well done you two. Then Miss Hillary's class, this award goes to somebody who's worked really hard on all her jobs this week, and she needs to keep up the hard work, says Miss Hillary, so well done to River Holdsworth. And then a young man who has been sharing his stories and ideas via their weekly Zoom call, and his lanterns looked absolutely fantastic, says Miss Hillary. I'm sure he knows who it is, but for everybody else's benefit, congratulations to Peter Garnham.
And then in Miss Lewis's class, Miss Lewis would like to give a certificate to Seren Hurd for working hard all throughout this half term and at home and producing some lovely work in teams. Well done, Seren. And then for Noah Truman and Scarlett Brown for amazing persuasive videos in English on why Miss Lewis should give you 5 team points. Well done.
Okay, somebody else who's been doing some great persuasive writing in Miss Payne's class and gets an award this week is Olivia Lofthouse. So congratulations, Olivia, your writing was fantastic. And then a young lady who has worked particularly hard on her maths over the last few weeks. So you've impressed Miss Payne, well done to Hannah Garnham.
And then in Mrs Bradnam's and Mrs Everett's class, Oscar Quinn, you have a certificate this week for consistently producing good quality work on teams. Well done. And then for Niall Jackson for tidying up all on your own without being asked at home. Well done, Niall.
So well done, Niall. You're going to get the teddy bear to have this week, Niall. So congratulations to you. And I've just realised as well the Garnham household are going to be really happy because Hannah and Peter have both got awards this week. And again, the teachers haven't talked to each other about it, so well done you two. Hope you have a nice time in your house. Going to jump now to Mrs Howe's class and Mrs Mayhew's class. This young man has undertaken all his tasks with lots of positivity and worked really hard to do his best, so congratulations to Freddie Taylor. And then somebody else who it says here for always bouncing back and having another go when she's encountered things that are a little bit tricky, congratulations to Chloe Proud.
And then Mrs Seal's class, Owen Thompson, for contributing positively to all lessons and for your fantastic workout pictures, which have made Mrs Seal smile. Well done, Owen. And then a certificate for Damien for completing a 5k run. So Mrs Seal says that you set yourself the challenge at the beginning of lockdown and that lots of people have seen you running out with your mum. Well done to you for the determination and hard work to achieve such a goal.
Okay, and lastly, Mrs Clark's class. Daniel Bell, congratulations to you, because it says here, Daniel, that you've shared a fabulous story and done some great writing and research for that, so well done to you. And then Esme, you've got your award for really impressing Mrs Clark. It says for your hard work and determination with all your home learning. And I know, speaking to all the teachers over the last few weeks, we've been really impressed with how hard you've all been working, whether you're in school or at home, doing lots of different things to try and keep up with your learning. So thank you for all your hard work and for making us smile with some of the nice things you've been sharing. we've got lots of team points that have been given out over the last few weeks. And at the moment, for this half term, the Blue Sharks have got 491. Green Geckos have also got 491. Yellow Lions 466, but just in the lead, the Red Dragons 504, and they're actually in the lead for the whole of the year with 1,921. So if you're in the Red Dragons team, give yourself a big round of applause because that's a fantastic effort from your team. Well done. There are 3 people this week who are going to get a surprise email with their 50 team point certificates because they've got that just over that number this week. So congratulations to those 3, and you'll get that very shortly. But last of all, we just want to say a big thank you to everybody for all their hard work over the last few weeks. Next week's half term, I couldn't get the fireworks to actually explode, but I hope we're all going to have a bit of a break from school. Try and do something different that you haven't been able to do over the last few days and weeks. And we will look forward to seeing you all after the half term holiday with some new learning ideas and 1 or 2 other new things to share with you. So have a lovely half term, and we will see you after the holiday. Bye bye.